right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So we are back again with the wide-body Toyota MR2 V6 Turbo. So I did a couple things off camera. I'll go over those things with you guys, but today we're gonna focus on sunroof and whatever's inside that box. So it's probably something you guys already have seen before. I'm pretty sure I've put that as an unboxing at some point, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and install these and get this car closer to roadworthy, I guess. So I love the way it's coming out. I mean, you guys tell me, I think it's coming out pretty damn nice. I still love that lip. That lip still just drives me insane. I think it looks phenomenal on this car. But let's just jump into it, guys, and I'll show you guys exactly what I've done so far. So let's go. All right, moving forward. So you guys could probably see something a little different right now. So I did place some fresh, look at this, some fresh, super fresh belt moldings. And they fit actually not too bad. They made the car definitely tighter as far as the feel, as far as the actual closing of the door. As you guys can see, the door has almost like a bounce from how tight the door closes. But I think that's good because this is carbon fiber and I don't need too much movement. You know, I need it to stay rigid. But if you guys see, look at how this door closes. It's like, it closes pretty decent. And I mean, we're talking about like there's no movement on this. I also installed the rear view mirror, I guess, bracket, and that fit really well. I also installed some fresh door molding. So as you guys can see, these things are fresh out of the box, or out of the bag, if you want to call it. All that is all nice and fresh and put on now. So at least the car is at least that much closer to getting done, at least, or at least getting windows in and stuff like that. But moving forward, we're gonna go ahead and do the sunroof, and we're gonna open this up. We're gonna take out what's out of here, what's in there. I'm gonna show you guys, talk about it a little bit, and then we're gonna install it, guys. So let's go. All right, folks, I gave it away. You guys just seen exactly what this is with the Toyota stickers on the actual packages. So these are quarter windows that we're going to be installing on the V6 MR2. So the thing is, with these, I got them straight from Toyota, so they are factory windows, factory triangle windows. So the way we install these things are, we're gonna have to remove these bad boys, but we're gonna have to put the this little metal piece that's on the window that goes through here. Then you have to sit the window in. There is a stud that goes through here, stud that goes right through here, a stud that goes through here, and right through here. It usually lays on the inner portion of the panel, so you'll have to remove this panel. And to remove that panel, you'll have to remove the seat belt bolts, which are both right here. So once you do that, it'll kind of look like this once you remove the window. So we're going to do the reverse order. We're going to go ahead and use some window caulking for this and go right along the edges here, so that we can make sure that we keep a nice tight seal. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse, and what we're going to do is go ahead and caulk the window, or caulk the surrounding portions of the window. We're going to go ahead and bring out the window, fit the window real nice, make sure that we fit it nice and snug and we have enough caulking. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten everything up, guys, and we're going to leave that for about 24 hours to make sure that everything stays nice and tight. And at that point, what I'm going to do is then go ahead and install the vent and stuff like that once the window is in, guys. So let's just jump into it and let's go. I'm not going to lie, I really love OEM new stuff. Like, I always look at it just like, it's like, wow. It's like almost looking at something that you've never seen before, even though you've seen it multiple times. It's just, whoa, look at this. This is crazy. It makes me want to save the window stickers and shit. Like, it's just weird. But we got the windows, guys. So this is the little thing that I was telling you about up top that kind of fits right into the window. What it does is it helps with the draining track. There's a draining track right here that helps the water flow down from the top of the window, or the corner of the window, the door window, down to the end of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. First, we obviously have to put some window caulk. So what I'm using is a a window and door sealant. I used a couple different things before. I've used 3M. I've used quite a few different window sealants, and I've had really good luck with this one. And what I like about this one is freeze and sunproof. So not that 3M isn't, but this one actually works really well in Chicago weather, I would say. That I've had a couple cars, let's put it like this, I've had a couple cars with this sealant stay outside in Chicago, like winter. We're talking about like almost 20 below, and it worked well. So guys, we're going to be using this. I'm going to go ahead and cut this open and start the process, guys. So let's get in it. Let's get ready. I'm going to put you guys on this time lapse. So let's go. Alright everybody, so we got the passenger side triangle window on. This was a brand new window, and look at how beautiful this thing looks. I mean, with the fresh seal here, we have, I mean, a painted SEM trim, I guess molding bezel. I mean, this thing is looking good. I got the belt molding on the carbon fiber, and I also have the rear view mirror bracket installed, guys. This thing, I mean, this is just super exciting for me, because looking at this is like, oh man, like this is really coming together. And then I'm like, oh damn, with some new seals too, holy hell. I don't know, I'm just really excited. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. But the other side, guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and time lapse the thing completely. So one thing you guys didn't notice because of time lapse is that I'm gonna have to remove this again. I totally forgot that the window does not fit without removing this piece here, because you need to remove this whole trim. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is take everything off. The moldings, we're gonna try to peel them as much as we can, to the point where if I peel them enough that I can unscrew the screws that actually attach the actual bracket for the molding. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna time lapse everything and go ahead and put this window in. So let's go. Alright guys, we have installed both passenger and driver's side windows, rear side windows, I guess. The triangle ones, and these things look phenomenal. These are brand new, straight out of the package, guys. Like, these things are like, I mean, fresh. So I'm super excited, because I don't think I've ever had like brand new windows like this on my MR2, and why not this one out of all of them to get the fresh windows. So we're gonna go ahead and look at it, check it out. We have everything installed. Everything was caulked, or whatever you want to call it, insulated. So the only thing I gotta do is put the bolts. There's a nut here, and a nut up here that you just gotta tighten up. And once you tighten up, it really closes that gap that they have, and it seals up real nice. But this brand new window paired with some fresh OEM seals, I mean, these things feel phenomenal, and they're so freaking soft. I painted this bezel here, or this trim piece here, with SEM trim black paint. We have fresh belt molding right here, and I'm super excited about that, because it kind of just completes the look, you know what I mean? Everything brand new. I did install the side rear view mirror bracket. I got something fresh coming for that, actually. So you guys know, I mean, it's gonna be so freaking sick. The side mirrors I'm gonna get, you guys are gonna love them, and I think I'm gonna actually stock them on my website, so you'll be seeing those soon. But let me show you guys the other side. The other side came out just as nice, as you guys see. And again, this side is also paired with everything brand new and fresh. So guys, let's just jump into the next step. The next step we're going to do is the sunroof, and I got everything right here on the sunroof. I have it inside the passenger side as far as the rubber molding and then that felt molding, and we have the sunroof here, guys. So let's just jump into it and let's go. Alright folks, so what you guys seen so far was me put the felt type of, like, I guess, seal for the underneath part of, or the part that actually connects to the underliner, or the headliner, so then it's nice and tight. So then after I put this seal, then I should have put this seal, because I had to go ahead and pull this off and tuck the seal in between this seal and that actual moonroof seal. So I mean, in my opinion, this thing is coming out phenomenal, guys. The last part to do is to install this moonroof and call it an episode, guys. So let's just jump into it and let's go. Alright folks, so you see what we did here. We installed today the side rear windows, brand new OEM windows, installed, caulked and everything. I just finished bolting down the back. That was kind of off camera. Fresh seals, fresh door seals, window seals I guess. Freshly painted SEM trim, black SEM trim paint used on this trim. This is brand new belt molding. I did install the side rear view mirror brackets as well. Moving on to the driver's side, did the same thing. Rear view mirror bracket, painted trim up top. Fresh door molding. Fresh belt molding. It still has a little felt behind it. It's super new and brand new window as well. This was also installed appropriately as well. I did install the back nuts on those as well. So guys, we did install the sunroof. So the sunroof is on. I did not install the clip itself just because one big factor is that I need to go down to my storage to go get all the bolts for this car specifically, because I have them all in baggies inside this one Husky bin. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Like, share, subscribe. Again, thank you. I really appreciate every single one of my subscribers. Make sure you guys check out Nasty Addiction Garage LLC. Make sure you check out Instagram, and also make sure you check out Facebook. And for those interested in the Nasty Addiction wide body, I am taking deposits. So please, if you guys are interested, there's only 6 spots available. Only six. If the demand keeps going, then I will go to maybe 10 or 8. But right now it's just 6. So if anybody's interested, please let me know, because this is a very limited run. If I don't get anybody to buy this kit, I'm going to be the only one with it, and I'm totally fine with that. I just want to give the opportunity to people to buy this kit. It's priced appropriately. So just jump into it, guys, if you really are thinking about it. So again, thank you for watching. Until next time. Peace.